press the left and right arrow keys to move me left and right. We need to pick up as many parts as we can find. Pick up any bolts you find, too. They'll come in handy for building our new vehicle. Watch out for trash cans, puddles, and traffic cones. If we run into them, we'll lose bolts. Drive over any arrows you see in the road for an extra burst of speed. Let's kick it into gear. Awesome! Those speedy wheels will make us go even faster when we go over speed boosts. Awesome! We got more bolts. A pair of side scrubbers will help collect copy bits to our sides as we pass them. More bolts! Yeah! A set of super grip treads will let us drive through mud puddles without slowing down. The scrubbing brushes will help us scoop up the copy bits safely. Awesome! We got more bolts. The megaphone! We'll need that to call to the copy bits. Awesome! We got more bolts. Those funnels will help us collect any batteries as we pass them. Awesome driving! We collected all the pieces we need. Let's head to the Rivet Lab and get to work. Let's combine it and design it. First, we start with the magnet crane. Then, we'll need to add the parts we collected. Now you can customize your vehicle with the extra parts we collected. Click on a part, then click on the marked location on the magnet crane to place it. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. Click on the parts to hear how they'll affect our vehicle. You can click on a tab to see other parts we can use. The super grip treads mean we can splash through any mud. Perfect fit! Speedy wheels make us go even faster. Side scrubbers will help us pick up the copy. Whoops, that part doesn't go there. Side scrubbers will help us. Whoops, that part doesn't go there. Try placing the part here. Funnels will help us pick up. Whoops, that part. Funnels will help us pick up batteries on this. Whoops, that part doesn't go there. Funnels will help us pick up. Can't wait to try that out. To complete the contraption, click the hammer button. Modified, customized, rustified. The Super Bit Fix Trap Action Contraption 5000 is ready to go. Let's go get those copy bits and change them back to normal bits. Press the left and right arrow keys to move me left and right. Be sure to pick up batteries to charge the megaphone. More batteries to power up the megaphone. Now let's collect as many copy bits as we can. Let's kick it into gear.
More batteries to power up the megaphone.
Batteries for the megaphone. Now the copy bits will hear it and come out. Here comes a Ray copy bit.
Speed!
Woohoo! Yeah! Whoops! We'll have to come back and clean that later.
Wow! So many batteries! Now the copy bits will hear the megaphone and come out.
Here comes a Ray copy bit. There's a whirly copy bit flying around. More batteries to power. Now let's collect as many copy bits as we can. I see a Crush copy bit up ahead. Look, it's a Jack copy bit.
We got all the copy bits.
All right. We caught all of the copy bits into the Copycat 5000. And reverse.
Look at the bits. They're back to normal.
Great job. Now let's get back to the city so we can start cleaning.
Wow, what a mess. The bits will be a big help in cleaning this all up. Click on a bit, then click on a messy area to see how they clean up the mess. That manhole is missing the cover. We don't want anyone to fall in. All right, Jack, way to go! There's something under that park bench. What is it? Let's see what else we need to clean up. Click on a bit, then click on a problem area and they'll clean it up. Someone could slip on that banana peel. Someone could slip on that banana peel. I see a runaway soda can. Let's recycle it. I see a runaway soda can. Let's recycle it. I see a runaway soda can. 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 Let's recycle it. Great job. One more part of the city to clean up. There's a toppled trash can. We need to pick that up. There's a toppled trash can. We need to pick that up. That streetlight solar panels are messed up. Solar panels are messed up. Let's get some bits on the fix. That streetlight solar panels are messed up. Let's get some bits on the fix. We cleaned up the whole street. Great job.
Thanks to you, we built a cool new vehicle to collect the copy bits fixed them up, and cleaned up the city. Click the Play Again button to chase down the copy bits again and clean up Sparkton Hills. Play again. Hi, it's me, Rusty. I could use your help.
Liam put the bits into the Copycat 500, a machine I